go turn my fan on. Alright. Day 2 of the AZ-104 cram. Got this test in less than 2 days now. So... trying to cram as much info as I can so I've got the best chance of passing. Alright. Back into it at question number 391. I need to get my iPad. And yo man, what's up? You caught probably the most boring stream that I've ever done in my life. How you doing, dude? Oh, nice. For an Azure certification, I have to take this test on Tuesday. And boy, is it mind-numbing. So freaking boring. Oh, thanks. Not a chance that I'll ace it, but I'm hoping I can at least pass it. I've got a test bank here of like 600 questions. I'm trying to go through and do the best that I can. Oh my god, it's so much. I've been doing it for like a week. My brain's like broken at this point. How's that job treating you, man? Hopefully good. Better than the previous place. How many questions do I have on this page here? Oh, I'm on the last one for here. Okay.
Oh man, it's great. Today is pretty slow, but I'm by myself to call.
Okay. Nice. Slow days are always good. Yeah, I'm sure. I don't know. I always enjoy working by myself. That's why I like working nights so much. Only have to work with a couple other people, and we're usually pretty quiet, so it's nice and relaxing typically. Alright, let's see here. We are in deploying and managing Azure compute resources. And to deploy 5 virtual machines to a virtual network subnet. VM will have a public IP address, a private IP address. Each virtual machine requires the same inbound and outbound security rules. Alright. Alright. Okay, this is like a question from earlier. You need 5 interfaces and 1 security group. Oh man. Not quite. Well, it sounds like at least you guys have fun together at least. Place I work, it's all like a disorganized mess, and we have different people from different departments, and some of them are loud as hell and annoying. My team's pretty cool. I like the guys that I work with, but Alright, let's see. We're saying 5 interfaces, 1 group. Hell yeah. There we go. There it is. Alright, so there are similar questions like we saw earlier. That's good. Page 30. We are still in compute resources. Have an Azure sub that contains the resources shown in the below table. Load balancer 2 virtual machines. Load balancer 1 is configured in the following table. What the hell even is this? Okay, back-end pull, front IP configuration, health probe, and a load balancing rule. Back-end pull has 2 VMs. Load balancer is a front-end public IP
It is.
health probe.
Some BS is what it is.
There's always some BS, man. And I still have yet to boot up Elden Ring. I need to get on that, man. I might just abandon my Dark Souls run and just go for Elden Ring. I don't know if I want to try and get back to where I was in Dark Souls.
That may be your best bet, LOL.
Yeah. If I don't do that, I'll never get around to playing Elden Ring. Alright, let's see here. You plan to create a new inbound NAT rule that meets the following requirements. Provide RDP services to VM1 using... Okay. What should you create on load balancer before you can create the new inbound NAT rules? Probably a load balancing rule. Fuck. A front-end IP. We have a front-end IP address already at the load back. What? What?
I saw you play some WoW the other day.
Oh yeah, that's what I got in the background right now. It is certainly my comfort game. I probably have... Holy shit. I don't even know how many hours I have logged in this game. I've been playing it since like 2006, so probably thousands. I like going to the different spots though, and just the ambient sounds and everything. It's nice. Makes me feel like I'm in a rainforest or something. Somewhere not here, where it's cold as hell.
Definitely be such a real crowd.
Oh, for sure. Who wants to go out and deal with that stuff, man? Alright, so add a front-end IP address. This one doesn't make any sense to me because the load balancer already has a front-end IP configured. What should you create on LB1 before you can create a new inbound NAT rule? Whatever. We'll leave it at that. Have Azure virtual machines that run Windows Server 2019 are configured as shown in the following table. Okay. Create a private DNS zone named adam.com. Configure the zone to allow auto registration from VNet 1. And these are both on the same VNet. So, which records will be added to the zone for each virtual machine? Probably just the private IP addresses. They're on the same VNet. Oh, auto registration. Oh, hold on a second. This one. Okay. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna say record for VM1 public and private, and VM2 just private. It was private IP for both of them. I knew it. I knew it. Alright. Private IP address, private IP address. Okay. Let's see. Compute. We have an Azure VM named V.
You're a wizard, Harry.
You're a wizard, Harry. Azure Virtual Network, name VNet1 that connects to your on-prem network by using site-to-site VPN. VNet1 contains one subnet named SUNET1. I think they mistyped that. Subnet1 is associated to a network security group named NSG1. Subnet1 contains basic internal load balancer named internal load balancer 1. Has 3 VMs in the backend pool. You need to collect data about the IP addresses that contain the internal load balancer. Must be able to run interactive queries from the Azure portal against the collected data. These are a bunch of words I don't know. What should you do? Resource to create, and resource on which to enable the diagnostics. So we need to collect data about the IP addresses that connect to the load balancer, and you have to run interactive queries from the portal. So this is going to be Azure Log Analytics Workspace for the resource to create, and you probably want to create it on the network security group. Man, it almost feels like it to me too. I'm hoping with enough repetition it'll just get burned into my brain and then it'll just like click for me in the test, you know? Alright, so for this one, resource to create, Azure Log Analytics Workspace, resource, I am going to say create it on the network security group. Oh, okay, you have to create it on the load balancer. Alright, 1 point at least. Yeah, each correct answer is worth 1 point. Alright, half credit, I'll take it. Better than no credit. Azure Log Analytics Workspace, internal load balancer. Okay. In the Azure portal, you can set up Log Analytics Workspace. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Okay. I think I'll do another page or two, then I might do a dungeon in WoW, just to reset my mind. Alright, you have the Azure Virtual Network shown in the following table. We've got three different IP spaces. West, west, east, north, okay. To which virtual networks can you establish a peering connection from VNet1? Peering. Probably in the same VNet1 and VNet2. No. Okay. To which virtual networks can you establish a peering connection from VNet1? Ah, okay. VNet2 only, because I think peering can only be done in the same region. That is my final answer. Frick! Okay. VNet3 and VNet4 only. Maybe peering is already just done automatically in the regions by default, and you can establish peering with other regions. It's just a configuration that you have to make. Okay. Address spaces must not overlap to enable VNet peering. Okay. Address spaces. Oh. Well, hold on. Ah, okay. 10.11. Okay. So that's why. 10.10 and then 193.168. Okay. Incorrect answers are A, B, and D. Address space for VNet2 overlaps with VNet1. Okay, makes sense. So. Okay. Alright. Next page, 31. Alright, let me get through this page. And then I want to do a dungeon. That'll be my reward. You have an Azure subscription that contains a virtual network named VNet1. VNet1 contains 4 subnets. I do. Thanks for the encouragement. VNet1 contains 4 subnets named Gateway, Perimeter, NVA? What the hell does... Oh, Network Virtual Appliances. Okay. VA subnet contains two network virtual appliances that will perform network traffic inspection between the perimeter subnet and the production subnet. You need to implement an Azure load balancer for the NVAs. The solution must meet the following requirements. The NVAs must run in active configuration that uses automatic failover. NVA must load balance traffic to two services on the production subnet. Oh my god. 3? Bro, I don't even know. Which 3 actions should you perform? Correct answer. Oh, part of the solution. Okay, we got boy basic or standard load balancer. High availability ports and floating IPs up front end. I feel like it's like one of these, and then one of these. So we kind of got 50-50 shot at guessing these. Probably a standard load balancer, because a basic probably doesn't support like the active configuration and automatic failover. Load balancing rules I have highly so HA ports. What is the difference between these two? Front end IP configuration, 2 backend pools, and a health probe. Ooh. Alright, I'm just guessing on these last two. I'm gonna say HA ports enabled and 1 backend pool. Oh. Damn it! I only got one of them right. Okay, so I was right with the standard load balancer. Required for the high availability ports. You need 2 backend pools, so that's why it's this answer. HA ports are not available for the basic load balancer. Okay. And then C, floating IP rule. Okay. So a standard load balancer, HA ports, and a floating IP enabled. Oh shit, I didn't see that was disabled. I thought that said enabled. Okay, I would have got that right if I was paying attention. I just wouldn't have gotten this one right. So B, C, and F, you need 2 backend pools. So a standard load balancer, floating IP enabled, and 2 backend pools. Okay. I'm going to forget that. Okay, you have an Azure subscription named Sub1 that contains 2 Azure VMs named, or virtual networks, VNet 1, VNet 2. Yo. How you doing, man? Just another day of studying for this test that I've got coming up. Alright, let's see here. VNet 1 contains a VPN gateway named that uses static routing. There's a site-to-site VPN connection between your on-prem network and VNet 1 on a computer named Client 1 that runs Windows 10. You configure a point-to-site VPN. You configure virtual network peering between VNet 1 and VNet 2. Verify that you can connect to VNet 2. Blah, 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 blah. It's always this one with these VNet questions and a point-to-site. You need to ensure that you can connect Client 1. I'm gonna say A. I don't know why it's always this answer, but it always is. Download and reinstall it, man. If it doesn't work, turn it off and turn it on again. Basic IT shit. You have an Azure sub. Subscription contains virtual machines that run Server 2016 and are configured as shown in the following table. Okay. They're all on the same VNet. Different DNS suffixes. Okay. You create a public Azure DNS zone. Basic stuff, man. Basic stuff. 99% of the time it works. Turn it off and on. You create a public Azure DNS zone name, adatum.com, and a private Azure DNS named Contoso. You create a virtual network link for Contoso as shown in the following. Link 1. Virtual network details. It is deployed to resource group 2. For each of the following statements, select yeah. Oh god, I hate these, man. Alright, when VM1 starts, a record for VM1 is added to the contoso.com. VM1, I'll say yes to that. When VM2 starts, a record is added. Doesn't have a DNS suffix. I'm not really sure on that one. I think this is yes, not sure, and this is no. I will say yes, no, no. Yes, yes, no. Okay. I had a 50-50 shot at that one. So, because it's not assigned anything, it'll automatically register it. Okay. Yes, yes, no. Alright. Let's do this one, then we'll hop in a dungeon. You have an Azure subscription that contains the resources in the following table. 3 VNets, the network security group, 2 regions, and 2 resource groups. To which subnets can you apply network security group 1? Probably just VNet 1. Because they are in the same resource group. That's what I'm gonna guess. VNet 3. Is it because they're in the same region? Ah. Okay, cool. Huh? I appreciate you sticking around and listening to me yap about this stupid test. Azure resources are created in an Azure region. VNet is a virtual network. IT these days is all about virtualizing everything. Resource can only be created in a virtual network that exists in the same region and subscription. Okay, so I was looking at the resource group when I should have been looking at the region because the network security group was created in the East region. Dude, man, sometimes I just want a chill job. Like, I hate this stuff sometimes. Sometimes I just feel like it's not even worth it. Why can't I just stream video games for a job, man? Okay, region. VNet 3 because it's in the same region as East. Alright. Let's put this down for a little bit. I probably need to put in earplugs.
But it doesn't sound as comfortable as that, so I'm good.
It's pretty darn you know, the thing that makes me mad about all this is my employer, they're making me get this stupid cert. I was supposed to have it done by the end of this month, but I missed that deadline, so that's why I'm taking it on Tuesday. But the thing about it is, we don't use any of this technology in my current role. I have no idea why they're making us get this, other than the sake of to just have the cert to make them look good. It's so dumb. All right, let me Oh, dang it. I need to move my box. There. Alright. I'm convinced that it's a money laundering operation. Alright. Let's pop in here and do one of these time walking dungeons. Hopefully the game sound's not too loud. I was messing around with OBS earlier. Alright. What is that? Oh. It's a cool bird. Come on, DPS. Cue in already. I've got shit to study. Dire 'em all. Sweet. That's what I like to hear. Oh, we got 3 pallies in this group. Go, 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 go. Who's tanking? Okay, you're tanking. Yeah, shortcut. We have 2 ret pallies in here? Holy crap. Okay.
I'll need a target.
These are so mind-numbingly easy. But really fun at the same time.
I don't have a target.
And that's that. Dang. That boss went down quick. That's all you gotta do.
I need to get closer.
Just keep slinging that magic. Come on, team. Let's go. I'm doing more DPS than the other rep alley. What? Ow.
I need to target something first.
And where is that priest at? Why aren't they keeping up? What? What? Come on. Oh, we had ads. Okay.
I need a target.
Where? What are you guys doing, man? Come on. Oh, shit. That's what I get for not paying attention. This is so true. You're going the wrong way. This way. Okay, I guess we're doing that extra boss that we don't need to do. Why? We don't need to go clear the other ones. We can go straight over here. Lord have mercy. Come on, man. Oh, the flashbacks. I know, for real, man. It's supposed to be my day off. I just want to chill and relax, but no. Got to do all this BS work. All right. This way, guys. You're going the wrong way. Where the frick? Come on, man. Where are you taking us? Where are we going? This way. I should have been the group leader.
I'm out of range. It's too far away.
We're going to hell, boys. Alright. Oh, shit. Okay. That guy just straight ported me to him. I guess I'm tanking this, guys. It's alright. That's that. And a bunch of gear I don't need. Thanks, y'all. Oh, do I have to go back to studying now? That was too fast. Too fast and too furious. Alright. Let me find a different spot to go hang out at. And then we'll get back to the stupid studying. That's kind of a cool spot. Not much sound though. Need like some running water or some bird chirps or something. Big tree. Oh, hey, cool. We'll just hang out here. Let me get my picnic basket. We got Valentine's Day coming up, you know. All right. Bring up the stupid cert. Do some more of these. All right. Maybe I'll do like one page, do a dungeon, one page. Ain't nothing good in this picnic basket, bro. All right. What do we have here? Drag and drop. You have an Azure subscription that contains 2 virtual net. Didn't I do this one already? They're all starting to just meld together at this point. Virtual networks have the address spaces of this and the subnets configured as shown in the following table. VNet 1 is peering with VNet 2. VNet 2 is peering with VNet 1. Different subnets. Okay, you need to add the address space of 10.33 to VNet 1. The solution must ensure that the hosts on VNet 1 and VNet 2 can communicate. What 3 actions should you take? Oh my. Wow. I did not get to the virtual networking section in the course that I was taking, so I don't know about this one. Let's see what our options are. Remove VNet 1, add that address space to VNet1, create a new virtual network named VNet1. On the peering connection, allow gateway transit, recreate the peering between VNet1 and VNet2. On the peering connection, allow gateway transit. Let's see. I'm gonna say remove VNet1, recreate. No, remove VNet1. No, you probably don't need to remove VNet1. Hold on. Peering connection. Fuck, I don't know. Remove VNet1. Create a new virtual network named VNet1. And then... I don't know. I was way off. Oh no. Remove peering between the two VNets. Okay. And then add the IP space to VNet1. And then recreate the peering. Okay. I guess that makes more sense than deleting an entire VNet. That would probably mess up everything. Remove peering between VNet1 and VNet2. Add the IP space to VNet1. And then recreate the peering connection between VNet1 and VNet2. Okay. Okay. You can't add addresses to or delete address ranges from a virtual network's address space once virtual network is peered with another virtual network. Okay. So that's why we recreate the peering, because you can't add. So you gotta recreate it. That's kind of dumb, man. Why would they do that? To add or remove, you delete the peering. Add or remove the address. You have to even do this when you're removing an address? Dude, who at Microsoft comes up with this shit? Come on. I guess they're a lot smarter than me. Next question. You have an Azure subscription that contains the resource groups shown in the following table. Resource group 1 and 2 in West and East US. Contains the resources shown in the following table. Storage, VNet, NIC, disk, and VM1. They're all in West. Okay. VM1 is running and connects. That's a good one. Good dad joke. These tests are notoriously pretty difficult, though. Just because they pick the most minute of details and test you on it. Like, hey, you know this obscure thing that you learned about that we didn't really talk too much about? Yeah, we're going to ask you like a really in-depth question on it. So I hope you read all of the technical documentation and remember exactly where it's at. Pisses me off. VM1 is running and connects to NIC1 and disk1. Okay. NIC1 connects to VNet1. Okay. Resource group 2 contains a... Funnily enough, yeah. That would be funny if they put a clause in that at the very beginning. Click accept without scrolling through all the way. You failed the test. Oh, resource group 2 contains a public IP address named IP2 that is in the East US location. IP2 is not assigned to a virtual machine. Okay. Oh, what? If you move IP2 to resource group 1, the location of IP2 will change. You can move NIC1 to resource group 2. You can move storage 1. Pretty sure you can move resources between storage groups. The only thing is they're in different locations, and that's what messes me up. If you move IP2 to resource group 1, the location of IP2 will change. We'll just say yes, yes, no. YOLO, right? Yes, no, no. Okay, all right. 2 out of 3. I'll take that. That's not bad. You can move storage 1 to resource group 2. You cannot move NIC 1 to resource group 2. And you cannot move... Or no. Okay. Yes, no, no. You can move storage. You can't move a new resource group. You can't move a new resource group, a NIC that is a... What? That doesn't even make any sense. Okay, I think what they're trying to say is you can't move a NIC to a new resource group that doesn't have a virtual machine you can attach it to. Something like that. I don't know. Azure public IPs are region specific. Okay, so that's why that's a no, because you can't move between regions. And we have West and East US. Okay. You have an Azure web app named Web App 1. You have a virtual network named VNet1 and an Azure virtual machine named VM1 that hosts a MySQL database. VM1 connects to VNet2. Or VM1 connects to... Oh, yeah, VNet1. You need to ensure that Web App 1 can access the data hosted on VM1. What should you do? No, application gateway sits in front of the VNet. Okay, hold on. Network. You need to ensure that Web App 1. Are they separate? This is going to be either A or D. I think we're going to go with A because this is all internal to Azure. You need to ensure you can access the data hosted. But we're not really balancing anything. I'm going to go with this. I was completely wrong. Connect Web App 1 to VNet 1. What? What? Websites integrate with VNet. Let's see what this says. Integrate your app with an Azure virtual network. I'm not reading all that. Man, see... Man, C++ was difficult. I had to take that class in college. Ooh, man. Although I gotta say, I prefer it over Java. I had to drop out of my Java class. That one was just too difficult for me. I probably could not even write a line of C++ code these days. That was so long ago. Oh, give me PowerShell. I could do PowerShell all day long. You create an Azure VM named VM1 that runs Server 2019. VM1 is configured as shown in the exhibit. Lots of configuration. Cool. You need to enable desired state configuration for VM1. What should you do first? It's not that. Is it on already? Status is stopped. You need to... You can't connect to it if it's not started, so it's not A, it's not D. You need to start VM1. Yeah. Yeah. Duh. Oh, man. When are you gonna be streaming again? I missed like your last couple of streams, I think. Need to get Tuesday? Nice. Tuesday evening or what time on Tuesday? All I got going on Tuesday is this test. Okay, you're starting up a new game, huh? What game are you gonna be playing? Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, what you gonna be playing, man? Ah, I've heard a lot about that game. Cool, man. It's not really my type of game. But I will definitely try and hop on and watch you play through it. Is it a single player game or is it a multiplayer game? I don't remember. I feel like it's a single player game. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I thought. Cool, man, yeah. I will definitely try and catch that if you hop on later today, because this is all I've got going on today for myself. And the wife, she's working until... Dang, today's Sunday, right? Yeah. Yeah, so she's off at like 6, 7 o'clock or something like that. Alright, let's get through this page and I'll do another brain reset. Do another dungeon or something. I really want to hop over to Classic Hardcore. I wish I could just play that. Oh, dang, man. Well, that's not too bad, I guess. If the latest that you'll be there is 6:30. They won't keep you later than that, will they? Oh, man. Ah, okay. They offer you overtime. You have 5 virtual machines that run server 2016. The virtual machines are configured as a web service. Man, that seems to be a running theme these days. Like, no one offers overtime. My job's the same way. They're tight about that. And then if you go over 40, it's like... Okay. Yeah, they won't pay us out overtime pay anyways. It's just straight what our salary is. So it's like not even worth it to work extra. I'd never do that shit. Like, nah, I value my free time more. I think I'll take that day off. Thank you very much. It is brutal, man. You have a load balancer that provides load balancing service for the VMs. You need to ensure that visitors are serviced by the same web server for each request. So you need like a static type. No, floating IP, direct server. No. Floating IP, direct server return to disabled. Idle protocol to UDP. Session persistence to client IP. I'm honestly not too familiar with this one. My gut is telling me it's A, but it could be D. I think it's between those two. I think because we're disabling the floating IP, I think that's the one we want. Oh my god, I had a 50-50 shot at that. With sticky sessions. Is this what they really named it? Sticky sessions? Bro, come on. With sticky sessions, when a client starts a session on one of your web servers, session stays on that specific server. Hell no, man. To configure Azure load balancer for sticky session. Dude, I can't take this seriously. Holy shit. Alright, session persistence with client IP. We'll just call it session persistence. That sounds a whole lot more professional. Okay. Man. This is getting to me. This question is part of a series that present the same scenario. Okay, we're familiar with this. Yo, thanks, Street Elements. I forgot I set those things up. Alright. You have an Azure subscription that contains the following resource: a VNet that has a subnet named Subnet 1, 2 network security groups, 1 for VMs, 1 for the subnet, and a virtual machine named VM1 that has the required Windows Server configurations to allow RDP. Okay. Has the default security rules. Any allow UDP 3389. That is the protocol, I believe, for RDP. You need to establish a remote desktop connection from the internet to VM1 solution. You add an inbound security rule to network security group subnet 1 that allows connections from the any source to the destination for port 3389 and uses the TCP protocol. You remove man, what? VM1 has a public IP address. Is this the... Alright, so we got 3 questions here. What is the right one? Okay, so that is the solution. So you add an inbound security rule to the security group on subnet 1 that allows connections from any source to the destination port over TCP. Remove network security group VM1 from the network interface of VM1. Okay. So that means that these are going to be no, right? The default port for RDP is TCP port. Oh, okay. I got TCP and UDP mixed up. So TCP 3389. So that's why this one is wrong. And then this doesn't. Oh, let's see. Port range. And use add security rule. Oh, okay. That's also yes. So there's 2 possible correct answers that you can accomplish this with. And they're both related to TCP and 3389. Okay. So we'll just have to remember that then when we're talking about network security rules and RDP. Remember TCP over 3389. Okay. Oh boy. We got some PowerShell output. You have a virtual network named VNet1 that has the configuration shown. Use the drop-down menu to select. For a virtual machine on VNet1 can receive an IP address from that. You must first... Alright. what are we looking at here? We got a tag, address space. Oh, okay, I can't highlight. DHCP options, subnets, virtual network peering. You probably need to add an address space. Because we got the brackets there, address prefixes. Or virtual can receive an IP address. Okay, we're talking about the machine getting assigned an IP address. Okay. It can't be part of two subnets, so what do we have here? Address space and subnets. Address prefix, which we have up there. I'm gonna say you need to delete the address space of 10.2.0.0/16. And yo, that's awesome, dude. How many views on average are you getting? Just curious. I think this is both delete. So we're gonna delete an address space. Oh shit, hold on. Ten dot 2.1.0. 10.2. Okay. For the first one, I believe you need to delete the address space. And then for the second one, you... Well, how about before and after a comparison? And then subnet. Alright, you know what, we're just... I don't want to think about this anymore. We're going to delete the address space for that one and delete the subnet for that one. Oh my god. Add an address space and add a network interface. Oh man. Okay. Add an address space. And add a network interface. Where do we see network interface here? Virtual networks. Oh well, okay. The 10 already, the network exists. We need to add a network interface. Okay. We have an Azure subscription that contains a virtual network named VNet1. VNet1 contains the subnets shown in the following table. 3 subnets, VM1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each virtual machine uses a static IP. You need to create a network security group to meet the following requirements. All web requests from the internet to VM3, 4, 5, and 6. Allow all connections between VM1 and VM2. Allow remote desktop. Okay, all right. So what kind of views are you looking at these days? I'm guessing more than that, yeah? Allow all connections between VM1 and VM2. Allow remote desktop connections to VM1. Prevent all other network traffic to VNet1. I think we need 3 rules for this, because since VM1 and VM2 are on the same subnet, they should already be able to talk to each other. Oh my god. 1? 1. Okay. Alright. Let's see here. How many more questions do I have on this too? Let me do these 2, then I need to take my mind off this again. You have an Azure subscription. I need to type a reminder here. Hold on a second. Started on. You have an Azure subscription that contains the resources shown on the following table. The not allowed resource types is assigned to RG1. Virtual networks, virtual machines. In RG1, you need to create a new virtual machine named VM2 and then connect VM2 to VNet1. What should you do first? You need to create a new virtual machine. Joe, that's pretty good. So pretty much back up to what you were before with your stop motion. Can't see me, but I'm giving you a thumbs up. It's awesome, bro. Nice. Not bad. I don't really even check. Well, for one, I don't even make videos. I just stream, so I don't really check the view counts on those. I've been needing to edit some videos and stuff, though, and post some shorter form content like that. I think that'd be kind of fun. But life's got me too busy. One of these days I'll do it. Alright, so remove, create an Azure, create an ARM template. You need to create a new virtual machine. Rage. Yeah, I've thought about doing that with like my Dark Souls ones, just like all of my deaths or something. That seems to always be like the funniest parts of any stream. Just making like some shorts of that shit. I just need the time and motivation to go through my old videos and clip them. Oh no, they kicked me out. Let me in! I think it's telling me that I need to get back in there and do something real quick. Alright, let me answer these 2 questions, and then I'll do something. Bro! No one gives a shit. Okay. Alright, 2 questions, and then break time. Let's see. I think you need to remove that from the policy because that is preventing you from creating virtual machines. Yeah, okay. Last one. Company has an Azure sub. Company also has 2 on-prem servers named Server 1 and Server 2 that runs 2016. Server 1 is configured as a DNS server, has a primary DNS zone, contains 1,000 DNS records. You manage Server 1 and Subscription 1 is Server 2. Server 2 has the following tools. Got to do what's actually fun and keeps you engaged with it. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Yeah, if you're not having fun with something, then why even bother with doing it, you know? Got to make sure that you're at least enjoying what you're doing. Otherwise, what's the purpose? As I'm studying for this bullshit test that I don't want to do. Pot, meat, kettle. Alright. You manage server 1 and subscription 1 from server 2. Server 2 has the following tools installed: DNS Manager Console, Azure PowerShell, Azure CLI 2.0. You need to move the zone to an Azure DNS zone. The solution must minimize administrative effort. I would say use Azure CLI. You could probably get away with PowerShell if the commands are there. I'm not 100% sure. DNS Manager Console is just clunky, and yeah, you don't want to use the portal. So Azure CLI. Yeah, bro. Yeah. All right. I think I deserve a little break now. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick, and I'm gonna do another dungeon. Hopefully it'll be a longer one. The dungeon, that is. All right. Let's see what it says. Yeah, I also like to start doing skits of me just fucking around and doing dumb shit, but I just don't know how to make them. Trial and error, man. Just got to do it. Go for it. Only way that you'll learn how to do it is by doing. Alright. I don't even know why I'm doing these at this point. Not really much of a benefit for me to do these time walking dungeons. Dang, the queue's taking longer too. Usually with a healer.
With an empty stomach,
Shut
a
up.
Ramolith has one diet.
Usually queuing as a healer, you get in almost instantly. There we go. Alright. Ooh, good, a long one. Perfect. 2 demon hunters this time. Physical damage heavy, we don't have any magic dealers. Yeah, it sounds like you got a pretty decent idea of what you need to do then. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Oh, whirlwind again. I don't know why I looted those. Only thing missing is a funny script. Yeah, that can probably sometimes be the most difficult part, I think, is coming up with a script that you think people will like.
I need to target something.
Well, you know, just do stuff for you. It'll resonate with people. Just make a bunch of... True. Dad jokes never miss, man. Alright, the scaling in this one is a little bit more difficult. Cheese. Okay, we got the boss. And I'm feared. Okay. No problem. And feared again. Pop that on him. Boy, this guy has a shit ton of health. Come on. Oh, get out. What sound? Oh shit. Oh.
I need a target. I need to get closer.
Alright, are we jumping or are we going down? What are we doing? We're jumping down, okay. This is gonna be tough, holy shit. Okay. Back. That on you. Kill the hunter. Okay, guys. This rogue is taking an ungodly amount of damage. Holy shit. We got it though. Easy game. Get out of the fire. As I walk right into it. Okay. Why is this rogue on fire, and why can't I not dispel it? Holy shit. Oh, God damn it, dude. Oh, I just pulled them.
Target.
You're welcome. Oh man. Wonder what they flagged as inappropriate. That's kind of odd. Oh shit, I realized you guys can see my chat. No one messages me and doxes me.
It's locked.
Come on, did you guys not get the gunpowder? What are you doing? Why are we just sitting around here?
Check out that noise.
You there. Check out that noise. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, get back. It was a polar bear. Look at that. It's not even doing anything.
We're under attack. Avast your swabs.
Oh.
Repel the invaders.
Alright, this is where the fun begins. How much are they going to pool? Let's just pull them all. Oh. All right. This off before he stuns us. There we go.
You landlubbers are tougher than I thought. I'll have to improvise.
At least this guy isn't taking the boss all the way up there. I hate tanks that do that. Makes this fight so much more difficult. Yeah, YouTube's kind of dumb with that stuff. Leroy Jenkins. Where's my mouse? I can't see shit. Okay. You're out of line of sight, bro. Big heals. Alright, we're doing 2 bosses at once. Cool. Dude, this rogue is getting annihilated. Holy shit. Poison. Easy game. Why isn't this guy dying, man? What the hell? Why won't you learn your lesson, old man? God.
Target something first.
Alright. We're gonna go do the secret boss. He's right there. Okay. That's that, I guess. Alright. Unlock the second slot. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, I need some more coffee. Alright, so I need to do some delves, but man, I really don't feel like that. No way I'm gonna do 4 more dungeons. Just at a chance of 593 gear. I think most of my gear is like 600 and above anyways. Yeah. That heroic gear is dog shit. Could do some tier 8 delves though. Which ones are bountiful right now? Delves take a minute though. I don't know if I want to do one. Let's see, they reset on Tuesday, it's Sunday. I just need to do 2 of them. Let me switch to Ret. Retribution. Text message. All right. Put my retribution gear on. Shield here. Do I want to do tier 8? I could probably pull off tier 9 at this point. My gear is what, 611? 610. Let's see. The coffer at the end gives you 603. 603. 603. It's not even worth it to do a more difficult tier. I need to be able to clear tier 11 though. Do I want to try 10? I don't have anywhere near that item level though. I could probably do it on my hunter. We'll just do a tier 8. Oh, not the candle one. I fucking hate this one. Oh, this one sucks.
The candle gets weaker when you move. Watch your steps.
I'm out of range.
Drop this here. Let's go this way, I guess. Drop that here. Thanks, Braun. You're so helpful. Pick up the candle, please. Move your stupid dinosaur.
Fantastic. Interesting.
Anything over there? I want to go get that. Can I see it if I walk over here?
Grab one of those enchanted
Yeah.
candles to stay safe from these shadows. That's more like it.
Okay. Pick up this. Okay. Ooh, there's 2 buckets back there. Do I want to go grab them? I don't know if it's worth it.
Nice fight.
Move your ass, dude. Uh-oh. Where'd that fire come from? Shit. Don't let him get away. Okay. Who do we pull next? Let's go here. Okay, he's the one spitting out fire.
I need to carry it first.
Grab this. Almost cleared this area. Let's go over here. Drop the candle. Good lord, annihilated. Okay. That.
Nice find.
Thanks, Bron. Let's go over here. Got the candle. Are we at the final boss already? No, we ain't. Alright, drop the candle here. How do we want to do this? Let's start with the heavy hitting guy. Oh, okay. Where are you going? Kill the smaller guy. There we go. Okay. Oh, do I want to mess with those over there? Alright, here's what we'll do. We'll take a
Handle
candle,
gets weaker when you move. Watch your steps.
drop it right here, and we'll just fight these guys. Easy. Nothing to it. Oh, I can go get that too? Alright. What? Oh. That's right. Okay. Let's go get these guys.
I need a target.
Grab
I
one of
need
those
to target
enchanted
something
candles.
first.
Shut up, Braun.
Found a
Oh,
bit of gold.
drop that. Pick this thing up over here. Nice. Now we go. Clear this or oh shit. Bad move. Okay. Drop the candle. Just take care of all these guys. Ooh, this was probably a really bad move. Whew. Don't die, don't die. Okay, they got the treasure there. Yoink! Oh, fire, 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 fire. Nothing over there. Okay. Okay. Final boss time. Oh. Okay. I want to go over here. I don't need your oh, I hit the wrong key. Darn it. We'll start this fight over here, and we'll move between the two things. Candles. Boy, why could I not remember the word candle? Move it closer. Right there. That'll be good. Would you come back over here? Come on. Alright. Where did these guys come from? And how are they almost killing? Goodness. Alright. Oh my god, there's still more. Jeez, man. Alright. Shoot. I forgot I could put one of these guys to sleep. I swear these guys are harder than the boss. What the hell? Alright, here comes the boss. Alright. Oh shit, Bron. Go over to this one. Oh, I need to get that egg. Bro, come on. Shit. Oh, hell no. I did not interrupt that. That was a mistake. Fuck, dude. There we go. Interrupted that one. Where's your vials, man? Oh, God! Alright, he's almost dead. Shut up. Got him. Ugh. think I made that a little bit more difficult than it needed to be.
Nothing old Bran can't get.
Alright, what's over here?
Nice fight.
Reward time! Let's get all the gold first. Anything else back here? No. Okay, some ruined. Take that back. Let's see what the loot is. We got a trinket. Fungal friend flute. Let's see. Spells and abilities have a chance to unearth a colorful fungal friend to heal allies for 700,000. Grant you 68,000 mana or deal. Okay, that kind of sucks. I don't like the RNG on that. Probably won't use that at all. That was the old shield, wasn't it? Yeah. So now I got that heroic one. Okay. I just need to do one delve for the week and I get that vault unlock. Go turn that quest in. And start the studying again. Where do I turn it in at? Take it to Dorngal. Okay, turn this into you. And then this is the quest from last week.
Just got to know.
Oh, weekly cache containing materials. First two contains veteran gear. Man, I wish I could send that to my alts. Be so much better if I could do that. Alright. Sell my junk. Repair. Repair.
Good fortune to our friends.
I don't know why I picked that stuff up.
I have many wares.
Deployable battle supplies. Deploy supplies that grant primary stats to all allies. Only usable outdoors. I mean, that's kind of cool.
Farewell.
Let me switch my loot spec to retribution. I don't even need to switch to ret, like. Damn, I wish I could just send that to my alt. Cause I don't need that at all. That is just trash.
I have many lucky doos you like.
580, yeah, I'll need it. I don't want that trinket. Don't need any of this stuff. All junk. Okay. Let me go do my alchemy research before I call it quits on here. Okay. I need some catalyst. So I need to make some more healing pots. Let me get 20 of these. And let me just get 5 of these.
Return and peruse my inventory again.
Go ahead and create all. Oh, man. Alright. Neutralize those. Hopefully that'll give me enough. Cool. Alright. Now, What have I not learned that I need to? Should I go for flask? What is this? Increase your movement speed by 60. For how long? Okay. Tempered potion. Vicious flask. They're like PvP flasks. Okay, I've learned almost all the potions. Let's go with this. Let's see what we learn. Hopefully something good. Oh, lag much? Cool. Flask of tempered versatility. Increase my versatility.
I have an extended supply.
Let's go ahead and make one of those. Flask of... Was it versatility? Yeah. Ooh. Feel like there's something... Yeah, I need to make one of these. Grab...
My directive is to serve you.
5 vials.
My directive has been fulfilled.
And we'll make one of these. Blast. Already made all those. Ah, okay, I can make one of these.
I have calibrated my prices to be reasonable.
What is this? I think to increase your finesse by 84 or resource readiness from winter. Ooh. Now, what specialization do I want to go down? Potion cauldrons, that's cool. What's this, bulk production? Probably, I don't know. I don't want to mess with that right now. Alright. I think I've procrastinated enough now. Let me find a spot to chill at and do some more studying. And get some more water. I think I want to go somewhere I haven't been in a really long time. Silver Moon City. Seems big. Wonder if I can fly here yet. Oh. They still have not figured out how to let people fly in this zone. How many years has it been? Come on. Where should I go? I think we just go to where it all started. Just hang out here. You can't sit in these benches? What? Alright, let me turn the music off. Actually, leave it running while I go get something to drink. Okay. Get my drink. You guys stay out there. No. Stay out there. No. There. Dog's trying to sneak. Okie dokie. Turn this down. Take my earbuds out. Oh, shoot. Okie dokie. I need a break from this. Oh my god. Alright. I've only gotten through 34 pages of this, man. You have a public load balancer that balances port 80 and 443, so we're talking about web requests across 3 virtual machines. You need to direct all the remote desktop RDP connections to VM3 only. What should you configure? An inbound NAT rule, new public load balancer for VM3, a front-end IP, or a load balancing rule. Well, I would guess an inbound NAT rule, but it could be a load balancing rule as well. Okay, inbound NAT rule. That makes sense, because we got the incoming RDP into our virtual network. Okay. You have an Azure subscription named Subscription 1 that contains the virtual networks in the following table. VNet 1 contains subnet 1, subnet 11 and subnet 12. VNet 2 containing subnet 13. Subscription 1 contains the virtual machines in the following table. They're all on VNet 1. Okay. In subscription 1, you create a load balancer that has the following configs. Basic internal load balancer, subnet 12, virtual network VNet 1. Okay. So this is applying to VMs 5 and 6, right? Because we're talking about VNet subnet 12. Load balancer 1 can balance traffic between VM1 and VM2. No. Because they're on a different subnet. Between 3 and 4. No. Between 5 and 6. Yes. I would say no, no, and yes. What the fuck? Yes, no, no? On subscription 1. Alright, man. On subscription 1, you create a load balancer that has the following configs. Internal subnet 12 and VNet 1. Oh, is it because it's also VNet 1? Why do they have to do this shit? Like, goddamn. Load balancer 1 can balance traffic between VM1 and VM2, which are on VNet 1, but not subnet 12. They're also in an availability set. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Between VM3 and 4. What's the damn explanation for this? Why can't it do traffic between these two or these two? I don't know. I guess it's got something to do with availability set. Okay. Pretty much the complete opposite of what I thought it was, because I thought it was no, no, yes. Alright. You have an Azure virtual machine that runs Server 2019 and has the following configurations. You create the Azure DNS zones shown in the following table. Okay. You need to identify which DNS zone you can link to VNet 1. And the DNS zones to which VM1 can automatically register. DNS zones that you can link to VNet 1. DNS zones to which VM1 can automatically register. Okay. I would say that you can link the public and private west zones, but can only register the adatum.com. The private zones only, the private zones only. What the fuck? What? Private DNS overview. Which zone should you identify? You have an on-prem network that you plan to connect to Azure by using a site-to-site VPN. In Azure, you have an Azure virtual network named VNet1 that uses an address space of 10.0.0.16. Subnet name, or you need to create a site-to-site VPN to Azure. I'm so tired of reading this shit. God damn it. Which 4 actions should you perform in sequence to answer? Which 4 actions? Ellie, stop it. No. Oh, I literally don't care. care about this. Ellie. Oh no, and I don't care. What's the answer? Create a gateway subnet, create a VPN gateway, create a local gateway, and then create a VPN connection. This shit is so fucking stupid. There's nothing in here for you. There's nothing in here for you. What are you doing? Murphy, stop. Hi, Ellie. Hi. Hi. Oh, God. Hi. What are you doing? Hi, puppy. Up, up, and up. Oh, it's getting close to dinner time, isn't it? You're getting hungry. Is that what it is? It's not quite dinner time. I can wait. So, is this one of those things where you have to do it in order? Yeah, it has to be in order also. You will receive credit for any of the correct orders you select. So, subnet, VPN gateway, local gateway, and then a connection. Subnet, VPN gateway, something, something, and then a connection. Okay. Subnet, 2 gateways, VPN gateway, a local gateway, and then VPN connection. Oh, man. You have an Azure subscription that contains the resources in the following table. VM1 and VM2 are deployed from the same template and host line of business applications. You configure the network security group as shown in the below table. You need to prevent users of VM1 and VM2 from accessing websites on the internet over TCP port 80. What should you do? Oh. I'm gonna say B. What? Hold on. Inbound security rules. Port 80. TCP. Internet. Destination any. Action deny. No, I guess you don't need to change that one. Change the deny websites outbound rule. Deny websites. What's the name? Port 80. Internet deny. Associate the network security group to subnet 1. Oh yeah, it's not associated with any NICs or subnets. Okay. I would say C. Yeah, okay, there we go. Oh. Yep. Okay. You can associate or disassociate a network security group from a network interface or subnet. It's appropriate rule to block users from accessing it. We just need to associate it with subnet 1. Okay. That makes sense. You have 2 subscriptions named Sub 1, Sub 2. Each subscription is associated to a different Azure AD tenant. Subscription 1 contains a virtual network named VNet1. VNet1 contains an Azure virtual machine named VM1 and has an IP address space of Sire 16. Alright, basically same thing except different. It's got 10 to 10. You need to connect VNet1 to VNet2. What should you do first? They're on different subscriptions. I feel like you can have them, doesn't matter what subscription they're on, and I don't think you need to modify the IP space, so I think you would just need a virtual network gateway. Yeah. Virtual networks can be in the same or different regions and from the same or different subscriptions. When connecting VNets from different subscriptions, subscriptions do not need to be associated with the name, with the same Active Directory tenant. I didn't even notice the tenant part. Okay. We plan to create an Azure virtual machine named VM1 that will be configured as shown in the following exhibit. Oh man, my stuff is really lagging. Or is it just OBS that's lagging? Yeah, it's lagging pretty good. Huh. But why? Let me minimize. Hold on. Restart a VTube Studio real quick.
I don't have a target.
Nah. Okay. Sheesh, man. I don't know what the deal is. I'll probably just kill stream here for now. Doesn't really matter. Alright. I might do this again tomorrow. Last day of studying. Since I'll be taking it on Tuesday. So, yeah. We'll see. Tuesday is pretty busy. So, I'm thinking maybe Wednesday I'll do some classic hardcore WoW. Yeah. Alright. That's it for me. I'm out. Bye.